Small Animal Stories.
Hello, I am a little spider, living peacefully in the green wild, and this is my life story. I am a small spider, a carnivore, who loves flies, mosquitoes, and tiny insects. I carefully weave a sticky web and wait quietly until my prey gets trapped. I can't chew hard food, so I turn my prey into liquid before slowly sucking it in. But that's only the beginning of my story, because there is an even more thrilling part of my life. Bye-bye. Now I will tell you the most important part of my life, about my family and my strength. I lay eggs and keep them inside a soft silk sac that protects hundreds of my future babies. During mating season, the male spider must approach me with special movements, so I don't misunderstand him. The silk I produce is incredibly strong and flexible, and its strength can even surpass steel of the same size. I may be small, but with my silk, I have extraordinary strength. Bye-bye. I work together with thousands of bees, sharing tasks and helping each other not. Hello, I am a little bee living busy and happily in the wild nature. I am a worker bee who flies every day, searching for flowers and keeping nature balanced. When I land on flowers, I help plants grow strong, bloom beautifully, and produce fruit. My food comes from nectar and pollen, which I collect and turn into sweet honey. But my story is not over. Yet part 2 reveals the queen and our secret hive. We do not like to attack, but we are always ready to protect our home and family. Now I will take you inside my colony, where we live together in an organized world. At the center of our hive, the queen bee leads us and lays eggs every single day. Those eggs hatch into tiny larvae, and we carefully raise them with great attention. We build hexagon-shaped honeycombs that are strong, neat, and extremely efficient. Even though I am small, my role is huge, because human life also depends on bees. Even though I am small, I am strong enough to carry things heavier than my own body. Hello, I am a tiny ant living in the natural world, and this is the story of my busy little life. I am a worker ant who spends every day moving, exploring, and never standing still. I work together with many other ants, following trails and helping each other all the time. I collect food crumbs, leaves, and sweet drops, then carefully carry them back to our nest. My story is not finished yet, because our colony has many secrets. See you in part 2. We may be small, but our role is important in nature, just like every ant in our colony. Now I will take you inside our colony, where we live and work together every day underground. At the heart of our nest, the queen ant leads us calmly and lays eggs to grow our family. Those eggs slowly become tiny larvae, and we carefully take care of them until they grow strong. Our nest is full of tunnels and rooms, built deep underground to keep us safe. Even though I am tiny, my role is important in nature. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hello, I am a little frog living near water and green plants, and this is my life story. I begin my life as a tiny tadpole, swimming in water, breathing with gills, and having no legs. As time goes by, my body changes, my legs grow, and my tail slowly disappears. When I am young, I eat aquatic plants, but as I grow bigger, I eat small insects. I can live in water and on land, jumping, swimming, and hiding in moist places. But my story is not over yet, because my adult life comes in part 2. Now I have grown into an adult frog with strong legs that help me jump far and fast. I hunt insects quickly, catching them with my long tongue in one swift move. My skin stays moist, helping me breathe and live well in wet places. At night, I make special croaking sounds to communicate and find a mate. I help keep nature balanced by eating many harmful insects. I may be small, but my role in nature is important. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
I am famous for changing my skin color to match my surroundings, my mood, and my body temperature. Hello, I am a little chameleon living in green trees, and this is the unique story of my life. My eyes are very special, because they can move in 2 directions to watch everything around me. I walk slowly, using gripping feet that help me hold onto branches without slipping or falling. I eat small insects like flies and crickets that often move quietly around me. But my story is not over yet, because my fast tongue and survival skills await, in part 2. Now I will show you my secret weapon that makes me a skilled hunter in the trees. My tongue is very long and sticky, shooting out fast to catch insects in a split second. My long tail can wrap tightly, helping me keep balance while climbing and resting. I prefer living alone and rarely fight, choosing camouflage to avoid danger. With my body colors, I can hide from predators and stay safe in the wild. Even though I look calm and slow, I am a unique creature with an important role in nature. Thank you for watching.